So this is the before, guys, and this is the after. Doesn't that look so much nicer, guys? Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. I got another quick video for you. Okay, I wanted to change the headlights on the 2022 Honda Accord, and I was able to contact my my connection from Auxito, and they were able to send me a set of lights. So I'm gonna show you what they look like now, and then I'm also gonna show you what they look like after. So we're gonna go and install just the headlights. So for now, let's go and CarStomIt. Also, a lot of you guys who watch my channel have not subscribed. Hit the subscribe button down below, put notification bell on so you don't miss any of my video. Without further ado, let's CarStomIt. All right guys, so this is what the lights look like now. So we're just gonna change the driving lights for now, and then we'll change the other stuff later on. So here it is. That yellow light is gonna be different. Once we're done, I'll show you the before and after. Let's go. All right guys, so the driving lights is on this corner right here, so it should be fairly simple. But before we do that, let me show you the light we bought. I wanted to show you the lights that we've got. Those are H11 right here. I don't know if you see the little check mark. So when we open this box up, there you go. Oh, they send you a set of gloves, guys. Let me take them out real quick so you can see. There you go, white gloves, white glove services. There you go. All right, so we probably won't need those, but normally when you're putting LEDs on, you got to be careful not to touch them. That's why they send you those gloves. And then guys, here's the box. You got a little manual. Hold on. So the manual is fairly simple. It's just show you how to install those bulbs. Really easy. All right, so here's all the bulb, guys. Let me take them out. So here's the it has a nice little fan. There you go, right there. Good quality. I've used this before, and this has a couple of LED. Look like 1, 2, 3, 4 LEDs, and a glare protection as well. So here it is, guys. Let's go and put them on. Let's go. All right guys, so to get access to the light, first thing you want to do, just move this a little bit. You can use a trim removal tool or a screwdriver. Just separate them and pop the clip off. Then you can move this a little bit. There's a clip down there. You push the clip like my hand is and push it down. Okay, there you go. The connector is out. And then you take the light, you twist it. There you go. So these guys are H11. I don't know if you can see the H11. So here's the new one, guys. So the new one, you just go back the exact same way. You just put it in, find the little pattern, twist, boom, it's locked. Now we get the connector. Hold on. All right, it's connected, guys. It's that simple. Now let's go check it out. Guys, after you change this bulb, don't forget to put the little clip back. It's super simple. You just pop it in, and that's it. That's it, guys. Done. Let's go test the lights. So this is the before, guys, and this is the after. Doesn't that look so much nicer, guys? See, now that it's nighttime, you can actually really see how good this looks, guys. It looks beautiful. Show it to you again. You can see both of them together. So the difference is before and after, guys. Lovely. Perfect, lovely. All right guys, so now let's change this guy too. Should be fairly simple. Let's go. All right, here's the new one. Let's put it in. It's one of the easiest thing to do, guys. All right, it's locked in. We connect it. Boom. It's that simple, guys. There you go, guys. Right here, that's the bulb. See, nice and easy. Let me show you both of them together. Okay guys, it's all done. Look how nice this looks. Completely different. It's like a wake the car. It's a brand new car. You guys like that? That looks good, right? I love it. So it is, guys. Way better. way better. All right, that's it, guys. All right, guys, so I'm in the dark parking lot. I want to show you what the lights look like. They look really good. I'm going to show you what they look like now. So let me show you the lower beam and the high beam while I'm in the car. Then I'm going to go outside and show you the same exact thing. All right, hold on. So here's the lower beam, guys. Trust me, it looks a lot better than on the video. It looks really good. So that's the lower beam. Let me turn them off. This is off, this is on. It looks really good. This is the high beams. High beam off, high beam on, high beam off. You see the big difference, guys. You see, you see everything all the way at the light pole. I'm gonna try to zoom in so you guys can see a little better. Let me go outside. I'll show you exactly the same exact thing. Hold on. Okay, guys, so this is the low beam. You see the difference, right? Let me see how much better it looks. Let me turn around to show you guys. So there you go, guys. You see how far it goes? Almost at the, basically there's just something all the way at the light pole. I want to say this is probably maybe 200 feet, give or take. You can actually see everything. So that's a low beam. Let me show you the high beam. That's a high beam. You see, guys? You see the difference? That's without the high beam. Okay, you see, guys, how much it light up the side as well? That's off. Okay, I'm gonna show you for the difference now. Like I'm standing right now, I'm standing in front of the car, you see? All right, that's the high beam. That's off, that's on. You see, guys? Pretty good. I'm very happy with these, guys. Very, very nice, guys. Very nice. Okay, guys, I wanted to show you an area that very not lit at all. So you see the difference, how you can actually see everything on the road. It looks so much better. You can actually see everything, and this is very dark around here. So I'm gonna put the high beam real quick so you guys can see the difference. High beam off, high beam on. Look how far the high beam show off. That's without the high beams. See, and the high beam goes on. Really good, guys. Very nice. I like it. Auto high beam, very good. Okay, guys. Alright, guys, this video is all done. So you see how the light looks. They are really bright. They make a big difference in how you can see compared to what they were. This is a whole lot better. So I'm pretty happy with it, guys. So anyway, like and subscribe. Tell me what you think. Link in the comment down below. And if you use my link and my discount code, you get 15% discount. All right. So anyway, guys, thank you for watching. Until the next time, peace.